Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic Fourier series, a full range type. Let us solve the problem. Find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to e raised to x in the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi. As the interval is of the type c to c plus 2l, it is the problem of full range, as nowhere it is mentioned that we require to obtain half range, though here it is 0 to L type of range, and therefore given function is e raised to ax and the interval is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 2 pi. Comparing this with c to c plus 2l full range interval, we get the value of c as lower limit as 0, upper limit as 2 pi, substituting the value of c as 0, we get 2l equals to 2 pi, and that implies the value of L as pi. Okay, and then as it is full range, we apply the formula of full range Fourier series. A0 by 2 summation of an cos n pi x by L, and changes from 1 to infinity, summation of bn sin n pi x by L, and changes from 1 to infinity, where we require to find out that Fourier coefficient. First Fourier coefficient A0 is given by 1 by L integral from c to c plus 2l, and its f of x, its integration with respect to x. Substituting value of L as pi, we get 1 by pi integral from c to c plus 2l. C is 0, c plus 2l is 2 pi, function is e raised to ax, and its integration with respect to x. Integrating it with respect to x, standard result, its integration is e raised to x divided by a, and limits from 0 to 2 pi, 1 by a pi, constant term outside. Substituting the upper and lower limit, upper limit for x as 2 pi, therefore it becomes e raised to 2a pi, minus a lower limit for x as 0, e raised to 0, and therefore we get, therefore a0 is 1 upon a pi e raised to 2a pi, minus value of e raised to 0 is 1, therefore minus 1. And we call this equation 1 or equation 2, value of a0. Then we obtain the value of an and bn, remaining two Fourier coefficient. An is equals to 1 by L integral from c to c plus 2l f of x into cos of n pi x by L, and its integration with respect to x. Substituting the value of L and that function, L is pi, c to c plus 2l, here it is the product of two terms of x, but it is not possible for us to integrate it by generalized part. Here we require to apply a standard result of integration, which I have discussed in my previous video, first video for the Fourier series, and therefore we know that integration of e raised to x into cos of bx plus c, that integration is e raised to x upon a square plus b square, a cos of bx minus b sine of plus b sine of bx plus c. Therefore, to apply this way, to compare this e raised to x with this e raised to x, we get the value of a as here a, and cos of bx, the value of b is here coefficient of x, we get the value of b as n, and therefore an is equals to, we have 1 by pi e raised to x divided by a square plus b square. The value of b is n, therefore it becomes n square. In bracket we have a cos of bx plus c. The value of cos of bx plus c is cos of nx, plus b, the value of b is n, sin of bx plus c, sin of nx, square bracket close, outer bracket close, and limits are from 0 to 2 pi, lower limit 0, upper limit 2 pi, and therefore substituting the upper and lower limit, we get an is equals to 1 by pi. When we substitute the upper limit as 2 pi, it becomes e raised to 2 pi into a, it becomes e raised to 2a pi divided by a square plus n square multiplied by cos of 2n pi. The value of cos 2n pi is 1, therefore it is a into 1. Sin 2n pi is 0, therefore this term becomes 0. Minus lower limit, when x is 0 here, it becomes e raised to 0 divided by a square plus n square multiplied by x equals to 0, cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, therefore it is a into 1. And sin 0 is 0, this term becomes 0. And then simplifying it, from this two term we can take a square plus n square common from the denominator and a common from the numerator. Therefore it becomes a divided by a square plus n square multiplied by that 1 by pi is also there. Here it remains e raised to 2a pi and minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1, and therefore we call this equation number 3. Value of an. Then in next step we try to find the value of bn, the third Fourier coefficient. Bn is given by 1 by L integral from c to c plus 2L f of x sin of n pi x by L and its integration with respect to x. Therefore, performing that integration by substituting the values, we get bn is equals to value of L is pi, value of c is 0, c plus 2L is 2 pi, fx is e raised to ax multiplied by sin of n pi x by pi, pi cancel, we get sin of nx, and then its integration with respect to x. Here we apply that result, we know that integration of e raised to ax sin of bx plus c dx. Its integration is e raised to x divided by a square plus b square multiplied by a sin of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c. Therefore, applying this, we compare this result with this result. We get here a is equals to coefficient of x is a here, coefficient of x is a, therefore a remains a, and cos sin of bx, the coefficient of x in this side term, it is n, therefore substituting these values, we get that value of bn, therefore 1 by pi e raised to x first term, therefore it is e raised to x divided by a square plus b square. A is a, therefore it is a square plus b square l square multiplied by a sin of bx plus c, therefore it is a sin of bx plus c is sin of nx minus b, the value of b is n, and cos of bx plus c, cos of nx, bracket close, outer, and limits from 0 to 2 pi. Substituting upper and lower limit. For upper limit, we get sin 2n pi as 0, cos 2n pi as 1, and for lower limit, we get sin 0 0 and cos 0 as 1, and therefore we get bn is equals to 1 by pi. It becomes e raised to 2 a pi divided by a square plus b square, a square plus l square multiplied by sin 2n pi is 0 minus cos 2n pi is 1, therefore n into 1 we get n, minus lower limit e raised to 0 a square plus n square sin 0 0 cos 0 1, and therefore it is n remains. And from these two terms, once again we can take a square plus n square common from denominator and n common from the numerator, and therefore it is 1 by pi n divided by a square plus n square multiplied by, the remaining terms are here, minus minus will become plus 1, and here the second term with minus sign, minus e raised to 2a pi as equation number 4th. Value of bn. Then after obtaining the values of this Fourier coefficient, we put it in equation number 1 to obtain the required Fourier series. We have e raised to x as a0 by 2. a0 is 1 upon a pi e raised to 2a pi minus 1 whole divided by 2. Summation of an, the value of an is a divided by pi a square plus n square multiplied by e raised to 2a pi minus 1 into cos of nx plus bn n divided by pi a square plus n square into 1 minus e raised to 2a pi into sin of nx as the required Fourier series. In my next video, I will discuss one more problem of full range. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates. Thank you very much.